can put me, I'm dead. This is where my life ends.
Oh, did you hear that?
Yeah.
Oh, I missed it again. Did you see that?
Yeah.
Did he make him back? That's a big fish. Oh, that was awesome.
Look at that.
It's just a little guy, but holy crap, that was cool, dude. 3 times.
Yeah, that's cool, man.
My drag.
Float?
Yeah. It's a frog.
Good one, dude.
Look at this spot right in front of this lily pad, Mitchell. Right in front of these. Oh, I totally waffed that cast.
Fucking shallow here.
It's not even that shallow.
Probably like 7 feet.
Oh, I just seen one back there. Let's see if I can get him to go. Oh, come here, boy. If there's not a fish back there, my faith in humanity might be over. Oh, that scared me. This is where they live right here, boys. This corner right here is where I've seen. Oh shit, we're turning fast. Sorry about that. Sorry about that. This is a burnt one. I wish I had that on, dude, look.
Oh my god. Oh my god. Holy fuck. 4.5.
404.6.
Beauty.
He got
like 3.
Here we go.
Bye, beautiful.
I'll be in the shade back here for a few minutes. Oh, he's in there. Holy shit. That's fine.
Fucking pound test you right
I don't know if he's still on there. No, he's gone, I think. No, he's there. No, he's definitely gone.
Nice.
Fuck. He was right near that tree over there when I caught him. That stump that you can see. He's not back here, so that's good. 'Cause I'm a dreamer. I dream my life away. Oh, yeah.
Reality.
Blazing through the windows at the world outside.
Fucking legend, dude.
Like you wouldn't have fucking.
Just inside my
Oh, I'm dead. That fucking thing's gonna take out an eye.
Nice, dude.
That pop can.
Is that a pumpkin?
Bro, that's gonna be a cool one.
I doubt I'll make it through all this. It's my turn.
We must go to the land of the giants. There will be giants there. It will be there. It will be very difficult.
You're good.
The fucking best. We're the fucking best, dude.
Huh?
Generational talents.
Turn it to Max.
We could be the next Beach Boys if we wanted to be.
Goddamn thing.
Yeah, but listen to me. The one way conversation.
Oh my god, dude. Oh my god.
What's happening?
Fuck. This guy.
Get out of here.
Just be careful where it's
What
at.
happened?
I don't fucking know why you have behind me like that.
Dude, I'm watching. Bro, you fucking spider monkeyed that shit. Was this the Titanic?
You fucking shit on my neck. Yeah, I see what happened. Somehow let me just reel it in. Fucking blow yeah.
Bro, you extended yours so fucking long, dude. It almost touched the water.
Listen, you people are
fucked. Fucking slack. I almost said the fucking North Africa. Got another one.
welcome to the island.
You seen the sun today, boy?
You go, little buddy.
Thanks.
That knock should be a little better.
We got frogs.
Oh yeah. We're on the other side of that lily pad.
They're over there?
The other side of that path.
Oh, it's a bunch of lunatics. That's where I just caught that one. I'm living with each other. Oh, yeah, yeah, yeah.
Remember, boys, this is where the big fish live. Oh, dude, that's huge. Oh. Dude, that's another fucking mega.
Look at that thing.
Get the net.
That thing's got a beak on it.
Get the net.
Come here, boy.
Wow. Wow, look at that. Hey, sexy.
He's smaller than the last one, I think.
Still beautiful.
He's actually only 3.5. Little over 3.5.
These guys like this one's huge.
Dude, he crushed it. Just right out there on these near the lily pads. Put a spell on you.
Don't come out.
Dude, oh my god, did you see that? Dude, get the net. Somebody get the net right there, Nate. Oh.
Where's the net? Get out of the fucking way. He's got his shoes in here.
Oh my god.
Hot safe. I don't know if your phone was in there or not, but
No.
you got his
Oh my
fucking
God.
shoes in the net.
Holy fuck.
Oh, he just bit me. 4.78.
Almost 5. Hell yeah.
Sean's probably over there.
Bye, little buddy.
He can hear us for sure. So that's a good cut.
Little guy.
It's a pike, I think. It's a little pike.
A little pike?
Yeah.
Oh my god, I want one of those.
What is happening?
Your drag's coming up. Do you want a picture with him?
Not really.
Look at
I
this.
mean, I'll take a picture of him. Put your hand in his mouth.
Oh, dude, so cool for live. Fucking god. Did you see that?
Yeah, I heard it.
That was cool, brother. Little guy. He was airborne. Let's see if we can get a little buddy come back. It's not looking good. Oh my god. That one's not small, I don't think. I don't know. I don't know, Martha. Oh, it's a little guy.
Rock bass?
That's right. Peacock bass.
Just another bass.
Native to the Everglades.
It's all feeding time.
Oh.
Coming in.
Oh.
That's a bass.
Oh, it is a bass. Careful. Go, Mitchell.
Beauty.
He just like how fast my little white meter was going.
Have you been marlin fishing before? Because you fish like you live near the ocean your whole life.
Yeah. Well, that's where I got my first experience from. Strangers.
I'm staring right into the sun, boys. I can't see shit. Oh, I saw that pass. Blue marlins. Here he comes. Oh yeah.
Right at the boat.
Holy shit. That almost fucked shit up. Bro, it's about to get crazy right here, Mitchell. Get your dingly in the water, boy.
Bow, 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 bow.
It's like, fuck you, that's a tornado trout. Somebody help me.
Tornado trout.
Oh, flying there.
Yeah, I see it.
Shit is sorry. We got to fix that. Let me